currently on Matchain Twitter profile. So right now you can see it's official. Matchain token generation event is happening on June 19th, so we've come a long way. So if you've actually been a part of this project, I would just say congratulations, and let's keep our fingers crossed, and let's see what's gonna come from it. So, and one day to snapshots, that's 20 hours ago, so the snapshots should actually be today. So, and so definitely, if you've not yet done this, kindly ensure that you've actually set up your match ID, you've linked your social and active wallets, and also you reach level 1. So that is actually with the information that you provided by all of those wallets and accounts that you have actually linked. So that will also determine. So what really is gonna give you much points is if you've actually been claiming the NFTs from the time past. So it's actually a reward for people that have been consistent on the project. So I think what I just want to do in this video for people that are actually up to date about the project. So this is not a new project for anybody to just come into. So it's a project that's been running for months now, so even up to a year, so if I'm correct. So it's not a new project. So now I'm going to dash to my Telegram. So now I'm on my Telegram, so I want to actually access my accounts from the Telegram page. So I'm going to come in via this place. So go now. So I'm going to click there. So I'm going to click on go now. Alright, so airdrop.matchain.io. So I can also drop the link in the video description. So if you're also part of it, just ensure that you jump on it and get to see what you've got in your wallet. So alright, so now check your eligibility, log in with Match ID. So let's try to log in. So I'm gonna click here. Alright, how do you want to log in? So for me, I would say I'll log in with my Telegram. So I'm clicking on Telegram. So it's actually going to authenticate the login. Okay, so please wait until the Telegram button is completed. So I'm clicking on that. So it's authenticating. So it's asking that I put in my number to actually authenticate the login. So once you authenticate, it asks that you should put in your number. So now it will definitely take you into your profile. So currently I have 7,077 airdrop points for me to claim. So that is what I have. So I had 23 NFTs, and that gave me 4,600. So just as you have it here, and looking at the reward rules, so the champion has a pool of 331,000, pioneer 764, advocates, supporters, participants. So depending on how early you join the project and if you do what is actually right. So you can see here the NFT actually gives you 200 points per each NFT that you're holding. So while the match points, actually 1,000 match points gives just one airdrop point. So that's actually what really puts everybody on the same pedestal level, including the influencers, because as an influencer, you're definitely gonna have a lot of points based on the rewards accrued by your referral. So that's not really about your work. But now, if you don't claim NFT, nobody will claim it for you. So that is based on your work progress or your support towards the project. So, and I think that is what really helped me to achieve a lot. You can see I had 4,600 from there. So on my match point, I only have 77. Just as you have it here. So, and also on my Matchain ID, I was able to get 2,400 points, and I'm on level 2. So just depending on how much information you provide on the match ID. So I'm going to click on get ready to claim now. So I'm clicking on get ready to claim now. So it's asking that I connect the wallet that I actually want to use to definitely finish my claiming. So connect your supported external wallet address. You will connect to the claim page to claim your MAT airdrop. So, and for people that are actually using all this extension enabled browser, you can just click here so that you can go to open in. So you have open in here. So click there, and then you want to open with your browser. So since your browser actually has an extension enabled ability, so here am I. So I'm clicking on, let me first check my extension. So OKX wallet, so I already have it installed here already. So let me check it out. So there's also the MetaMask also. So depending on whichever of the wallets that you already had, you've added to your browser. So now I'm going. So let's try again. Get ready to claim. Connect wallet. Alright, so I think that settles it. So I'm gonna submit. So once you submit, you can change again. So be right sure that you're actually submitting the best one, the correct one. So you've submitted this address, so that means that's the address I'm actually going to use to claim my airdrop. You get that? So I think I should end this video here. So if you have any other questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, and you can send your questions so that I can answer them. Alright guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with Team Biz. Bye for now.